Hi everyone, welcome back to the core exercises on the floor. So I have seated ones as well if you prefer to do the seated workouts. And this is level 3 of the ones on the floor. So if you haven't done level 1 and 2, check those out first and then come here for this one. So let's get started. So we're gonna get onto the floor. If you have your hand towel, that would be great. You can put that underneath your back, just in the area where there's space. In other words, let's just start with lying down. We're going to start with a dead bug. So we are going to bring our hands up. We're going to bring our knees up. And what we're doing is we're just bringing the opposite leg and arm down. So just like this. So you bring them down, coming up slowly, and then switching to the other side. Okay, let's do it together. So it's a little bit awkward. Your one knee will try and move along with the other one because of coordination, but do your best and you'll get better at it. So let's bring the one arm down, one foot down. Now make sure that you are focusing on keeping your back pressed into the floor and coming up and switching to the other side. So always going slowly here. Now, if you find that your back is coming off the floor too much, then just tap with your heel instead of bringing your leg straight. Okay, so that would be the easier version. So let's go again. So just bring your foot to whatever area you can and then bring it back up again, focusing on those abdominals and continuing other side. Opposite side. So go at your own pace here, just continue. Making sure that you're breathing. Don't worry about if you're not at the same speed as me, do what's right for you. And let's finish just with one more on the opposite side. Good. Okay. Just relax your feet for a second. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Perfect. Okay, so for the next one, we're doing the bridge. So feet are shoulder width apart, having your hands down at the side, and all you're doing is raising your hips up to the ceiling. So you're going to bring the hips up, squeezing the glutes, holding for 3, 2, 1, and slowly bring your glutes back down. And relax, and let's go again. So raising the hips, squeezing the glutes, and coming back down. This is 3. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and down. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. We're going to go up to 8. This is 6, for 3, 2, 1, and down. And 7, 3, 2, 1, and down. And this is our last one. And 3, 2, 1, and coming back down again. Good. Okay, bring yourself onto your side and then sitting up. Perfect. Okay, for the next one we are doing a twist, but you're not thinking of twisting your whole body. We are just thinking of twisting the arms. So we're just bringing the arms from one side to the other. So you're just leaning back a little bit. If you want, you can sit up straight. You're still gonna think about engaging the abs and you're still gonna feel it in your abs. If you have any lower back pain at all, then definitely stop the exercise. Pain is telling you to stop, it's not good for you, okay? So leaning back just a little bit if you want to, otherwise sitting up straight, thinking about engaging the abs here. So already if you feel here, it should be tight as you're engaging them. So think of pressing the belly button to the back, bringing the hands from one side to the other. So slowly keeping your torso facing forward and just going back and forth. Continuing to breathe. And your legs shouldn't be moving too much. Try and keep your legs steady. So we're just going slow here. Our goal is not to go fast. So when you need to, come out of it. And let's do 5 more on each side if you can. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and finish on the other side. Good, sitting up straight, taking a nice deep breath in, and breathing out. So we have 2 more exercises. We're going to do the side plank, which we did last time, and then a full plank, and that is it. So our side plank, we are going to bend the legs, and then we're just going to bring one foot out, so the top leg is going straight. Try to think about keeping your body in a straight line, so elbow is directly underneath the shoulder. And we're going to lift and hold for 30. Ready, and lift. So hold for as long as you can. If you can't hold for 30, just bring your hip down, rest, and then come back up again. That's totally okay. So trying to keep your head in a straight line with your body as well. This is a tough exercise. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Excellent. So we're going to turn over onto the other side. Okay, so elbow underneath the shoulder, bend that bottom leg, other leg is straight, ready, and raise. So think about your core being tight here. And 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and come down. Good. Okay, we've got our plank, and we are going to go up to a minute, but by all means, stop when you need to. So I would say for the plank, if you've been doing it for a while, then definitely do the full plank. If you haven't been doing it at all with me, and then just come down on your knees when you need to. So go into position. No need in wasting any of your time. So go into position. Let's go. Bring the hips up. And then, so we're starting now. So bring the knees down when you need that break. So trying to keep your body in a straight line, not allowing your glutes to stick up. Try to have your body as if you have a board on top, that you're fairly flat. Keep holding it if you can. That's 30. 40. 50, 10 more seconds. And that's it. So bring your hips down. Congratulations, you did it. So that's 5 exercises that will help you build a stronger core, and I will have the next set of exercises out next week. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed those. You can do these every day to get stronger. And if your abs are sore the next day, then maybe give yourself a day off from doing the ab exercises, but otherwise you can do it every day to get stronger. See you next time. Bye everyone.